Good morning students. In the previous class we have seen about the Nernst equation and EMF, electromotive force. Based on that we are going to discuss about the problems. Now let us see what he has given. Calculate the potential of single electron. Means we have to calculate here single electrode potential of zinc. He has given standard electrode potential of zinc is 0.762 V. Minus 0.762 V is the standard electrode potential of zinc, and here given molar concentration 0.1 molarity concentration. Now coming to here, first of all we should have to write the half cell reaction. Why we are writing half cell reaction means here to know the number of electrons transferred. So for zinc the half cell reaction will be the Zn plus 2 plus 2 electrons gives rise to Zn. Okay. So how many electrons transferred here? N is equals to 2. Now according to Nernst equation, what is here? E is equals to E naught plus 0.059 by N into log C. Okay. Where E naught what he has given minus 0.762 V plus 0.059 by 2. What is the molar concentration here? 0.1. So you will be getting log 0.1. So by calculating log, this one we can written as minus 0.762 plus 0.059 by 2 log we can write 1 by 10 means 10 to the power minus 1, log to the base 10 1. So here minus 1 will come this side, means you will be getting minus charge. So you will be getting like this, E is equals to minus 0.762 minus 1 will come, means here minus 0.059 by 2 log base 10. So 10 means what? Log 10 value 1. So you will be getting here minus 0.762 by calculating this value you will be getting here 0.0295. So when we do calculation of this, E is equals to minus 0.792 V. So this is the answer we got. See here what we have to calculate: single electrode potential of zinc he told to calculate. So this is the single electrode potential. So first we have to write half cell reaction, that is Zn plus 2 gives rise to plus 2 electrons. Why here? How he has given Zn plus 2? If we add 2 electrons only, we will be getting Zn. So means which reaction it is? Reduction reaction. So how many electrons transferring here? 2 electrons. That's why I had kept N is equals to 2. So according to Nernst equation, if we have written formula, E is equals to E naught plus 0.059 by N into log C. So where E naught, what they have given? The standard electrode, where E naught indicates standard electrode potential of the zinc. So E naught they have given what? Minus 0.762 plus 0.059 by 2 log C value, concentration value they have given 0.1. So now 0.1 can be written as 1 by 10. Yes or no? 0.1 can be written as 1 by 10. This can be written as 10 to the power minus 1. So that one only we have written here. So this minus 1. Log A to the power B means B log A you will be getting. So minus 1. So minus into minus, here already plus charge is there. So whenever minus 1 will come, automatically here you will be getting minus. Okay. So by calculating log to the base 10, what is the value? 1. So when minus 0.762 minus 0.059 by 2 means 2 2s are 4, 2 9s are 18 and 0.5 if you keep means here you will be getting 0.0295. So by calculating minus into minus minus, so by calculating this one you are getting this value. Okay, so this is about single electrode potential of zinc. Now let us see another example. Here what they have given, calculate the electrode potential of the single electrode, means for copper we have to find. So what is the reaction you will be getting? This is also reduction reaction. Cu plus 2 electrons gives rise to Cu, where N is equals to what here? How many electrons? 2 electrons transferred. So E is equals to E naught plus 0.059 by 2 into log C formula. So what is the E naught value they have given for copper? 0.337 V, 337 plus 0.059 by 2. Log C value how much they have given? 0.01. So this can be written as 0.337 plus 0.059 by 2 log 0.01 means what you will be getting? 1 by 100. So 1 by 100 means what? 1 by 10 square. 0.337 plus 0.059 by 2 log 1 by 10 square. So this will go reciprocal means 0.337 plus 0.059 by 2 log 10 to the power minus 2. This minus 2 come here means what you will be getting? 0.337 plus 0.059 by 2 minus 2 into log 10. Log 10 value is 1. So here 2 will get cancelled. This minus will come here. Means 0.337 minus 0.059. So the value will be what we will be getting here. The value of this one is 277 volts. So this is the value of the copper. So what he told us to calculate? Electrode potential of the copper. Concentration we have known, and standard electrode potential of copper is 0.337. This is plus value. So by calculating this we are going to get here approximately we can take the value 6 also. Why? Because 5 no? So we can take the value 0.06 also. So by calculating these two equations, by doing minus, we will be getting 0.277 V. So this is about the calculation of electrode potential of the only single electrode we are calculating. If suppose two electrodes they have given, zinc and copper, and here we have to calculate EMF of this cell, means electromotive force, means cathode and anode, both we have to calculate. First let us calculate zinc. Okay, so Zn plus 2, only one electrode if we calculate, so then you will be getting here for E Zn plus 2, E is equals to E naught plus 0.059 by N log C. So what is the E naught value they have given? Minus 0.762 plus 0.059. So how many electrons transferred for zinc? 2 electrons. What is the value they have given for zinc? 0.1 concentration. 0.1 concentration they have given. So now how you will be getting? Minus 0.762 plus 0.059 by 2 log 10 to the power minus 1. Means what you will be getting? Before we have did no same like that only. 0.762 minus some 0.0295 you will be getting. By calculating this you will be getting minus 0.792 volts. E of zinc you will be getting this value for single electrode potential. Okay, now coming to copper. Next one, what for copper? ECu plus 2 plus Cu. What is the formula again? E naught plus 0.059 by n log C. Here for copper, E naught value how much they have given? 0.337 plus 0.059 by how many electrons? 2 electrons transfer. For this also the concentration is 0.1. Okay, so now what you will be getting? Again 10 to the power minus 1. So you will be getting 0.337 minus 0.0295. So by calculating this one, we are going to get here 0.307 volts for copper. Okay, so here when you observe the reaction, so how they have given this is a, we can find one trick. This is A, B, C. Okay, A is nothing but anode, B is nothing but salt bridge, C is nothing but cathode. So I have told you EMF of this cell E is equals to E cathode minus E anode. I have told you. Or we can write E is equals to E RHS minus E LHS. So what is here? Cathode Cu. First one, what we have got the value, that one we will be taking. Next, zinc we are going to take. So what is the E naught? Copper for E cathode 0.307 minus, what is the anode value? Minus of 0.792. So by calculating this, what you will be getting here? 0.307 minus into minus plus 0.792 is equals to 1.099 V. For example, if single electrode potential means you have to calculate only one thing, and if they have given like this the complete equation means how to calculate E cell means you have to take the right side of the one, means if they have given like this. So what we can take? A, B, C. A, B, C, if you remember, means A is nothing but anode, B is bridge, C is cathode. So for every time you have to calculate the cathode only first. So E cathode minus E anode is equals to, or we can say E RHS minus E LHS. So after calculating single electrons, you have to do calculation. So this is the EMF of the cell. Okay, now let us see another example. See, here also they have given here another problem. Calculate the EMF of the cell in which the following reaction is taking place. So here some reaction they have given, molar concentrations they have given, and also E naught cell value. So directly we can do this one. So we can take E is equals to E naught plus 0.059 by n into log C. Okay, so where E naught cell how much they have given? 1.05 plus how many electrons transferring? 2 electrons. Okay, for this also they will be transferring 2 electrons, that is 0.059 by 2. Log C is nothing but we can write here log products Ni plus 2 by concentration of Ni plus 2 products to the reactants Ag plus square, by because here 2 moles of Ag, that's why I have written plus 2. So now we can write 1.05 plus 0.059 by 2 log. So what is the value? This one 0.160 by 0.02 square. If we do calculation, we will be getting 1.05 plus 0.59 by 2 into log 40,000. You are getting the value. So by calculating this, So 40 means what here? 2 into 10 to the power square. Okay, I think 10. Okay, nearly 20 power square. If we do 20 square, 40,000 we are getting. So 20 square means 2 will come 20. So log 2 into 10, some 0.33 values, a plus b you will be getting. So by calculating all, 1.0 plus 0.0295 into, you have to do calculation here. So by doing calculation, some 0. minus 0.13 we you will be getting. So means what? So 30103, like this you are getting log value. So you will, by doing calculation here, 1.05 minus 0.13, you will be getting 0.92 is the answer. So this is about the EMF of this cell. Okay, so they have given already E naught cell value they have given, but what we have to do here, we have to take log C value. Actually concentration we have seen in the Nernst equation what? Products by reactants. So products will be taking and reactants. By calculating this all, log 40,000. So 20 square if you do 2 log 20 you will be getting. Log 2 value how much? 0.2010. So by doing this you will be getting some minus 0.30103, like that this value you are going to get. So by multiplying this you will be getting this one minus 0.13. So when you do minus you will be getting 0.92. So these are the problems. Tomorrow I will be explaining you next problems. Thank you.